Alright, the car's warming up, so I thought I might go in here and just check to make sure everything was still at the voltage that it was yesterday when I was setting it. So I'll just check the advanced measurement values. That's acknowledgement value now at idle. Unconditioned. Lowest stop. I think the unconned voltage is very similar to, if not the same as, acknowledgement. Yeah. So we'll see once it warms up. While it's doing that, I might clear DTCs. As well, so there's no codes. I don't think there were any codes. I'd cleared them already. And the engine is almost at temp. Okay, now it is operating temp. So I'm going to run the test first, which opens and closes. So first I'll turn the engine off. Go ignition only. There we go, ignition only. Okay. Now I might run and just double check the values here, which is initial adaptation, position check of end stops. This is how I've been checking it, and I'm just going to run it. Service not supported on active session. That means I've got to get out and back in. One sec. Okay, just getting back in. It's reconnecting to the engine. I'm going to do basic settings. I usually like to pull up the measuring data here. I really wish that it would have like a remember feature that would always remember these, or at least for the session. Anyway. So we want to get acknowledgement, we want to get unconned. I usually grab that, and then we want adaptation for lower, adaptation for upper, and then we run the position check of end stops. Okay, that's running. So it's at 3589, then down. Three 3516, 3597. Look, it's at 3516. I said I was going to do it at 3513 or whatever it was. But anyway, I'm going to see if it will work using your method, just to show the... I think what you were saying to do was to open up acknowledgement and then cycle the car. Right now it's at 3521, and apparently you were saying that it flashes up the correct... I have to move the laptop here, so in the car. It flashes up the correct value. So I'm going to do that while pointing the camera here and then see what it does. 3525, ignition off. ignition back on. I think it just went to 355 or whatever. Okay, I don't know if that's made a difference. Anyway, it's at the 3.5, so I probably should have graphed it. Anyway, whatever. It looks like it's around the 3.5. So now, basic settings and adaptation. Initial adaptation. Go. Not supported in active session because we power cycled the car. Basic settings. We gotta wait till basic settings finishes. Is it done? I don't know. I can never tell. Okay. Initial adaptation of charge pressure actuator. Go. It's running. It does that like backwards and forwards really quickly a couple of times. Aborted safety reasons.